received this trash can. It's more like a storage or trash can container for the Cybertruck. This is from Elecfresh, and just gonna open the box up here for you guys. So, and this goes on the side and on the door. And in my other video where I was posting the storage container on the side door, for some reason this replaced that, and people had emailed or responded to me on YouTube saying that the link was something different. It was to this. So Elecfresh has confirmed that they still have the other product, which I'll show you in a little bit. But this is the trash can that fits in the Cybertruck, and it comes with two, of course. And then I'll go ahead and install it on my Cybertruck and show you guys. There was really nothing else in the unboxing here. It's just really the product, and that's pretty much it. Nothing inside of it here. I'll do a little further detail in a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and review this product here. Already kind of showed you the unboxing. Let's get this opened up. Where is it at here? Okay, so this is essentially going to be Elecfresh's trash can storage, and it's supposed to go over here to replace this area here. Now, I've already reviewed this, which I think this is a great addition to the Cybertruck. I think if anyone is looking for some storage here and make use of this space, this is really a phenomenal product. Now, when it comes to here, with this, I initially had some issues with this when I first looked at it, because where is my water bottle going to go? And of course, we have some room here, but again, I do put my coffee there and some other drinks there, and this area is going to be taken away. However, there is another product that Elecfresh has that's going to go down here, and I generally don't like having putting those long trays down there, because I like that kind of stainless steel look, but they do have one that they made that kind of can fit back here. It can fit some water bottles. And some storage, which is really nice. So really looking forward to this new product that they have, and I think that in combination with this would be a great addition. And it really depends on what you use the space for. If you're someone that does a lot of work and you want a trash can, then I think this is going to be a great feature. But if you're someone that really utilizes water bottles and here and just some open storage, then you may think again about this. Or if you get that storage unit that I'm telling you about that goes down here, then this will be a great addition. So I already kind of took a look at this. This won't really fit with, this is what I'm using right now for the trash can here, but I really like this product here, and unfortunately it won't fit with this product in here. So really it's kind of just won't fit. You do have to remove it. So with this product here removed, you kind of have to bring this in at an angle, and it just slides in like that. It kind of fits in like that. So yeah, actually it looks pretty cool. It kind of complements this area here. And again, you have the storage container there. It's a pretty big storage container. It goes pretty far. Zoom in here, but again, that's down there. It's kind of towards just before my wrist, so it goes in pretty deep. And again, now you have these two storage containers there and this storage container here. So it's kind of nice if you, I don't know if you maybe travel a lot or work a lot, if you want to store things, if you go off-roading, if you want to store things without them being moving, without things being moved, or if you just want to use that as a trash can. My only thing concerns a trash can is that this can get pretty dirty. There's nothing in here in terms of a bag or anything like that, you'll have to just kind of wash it out. So I'm sure it can get pretty dirty and stinky in there. So, but to me, I would probably use that as a storage container. If I was going off-roading or something, I'd have all these storage containers here. You can still have some room to put things there. So of course it comes with two. The other one will go on the other side. So again, on this side, you do have to remove this insert and bring this in at an angle. Once again, I want to show you these. This is similar to what this had. This has these areas here where it'll essentially make a good connection, a good fit. The trick to putting this in is you kind of have to go at an angle. You go at it right there, and enough for this to go in. Again, just at an angle for this to go in, for this part to go in, and then you would just move it down. And that's it. That's how you install that. And open it up. Pretty deep in there. Yeah, so this is their trash can / storage container from Elecfresh. Again, another storage container, which I think this is a really great product. And I think this could work out pretty well for those of you that really need to store things, or even use it as a trash, but store things. If you're doing some off-roading or just don't want things to be moving around. Let's see how well this fits in here. The question is, does this fit in here? Yeah, not really filling well, but that's really my main concern. Is I like to use this to put in my water bottle, and I will lose that ability, which is kind of a bummer. And you have to take that insert out, so that exposes this. You have to remove this insert. That's really the two bummers about this. However, with the Elecfresh's other product that I'm going to be reviewing here hopefully soon, it's coming on order, that can replace the area where you put water bottles. And so if you're someone that needs this storage area or trash, needing a big trash can, then that could be a good combination to use. So I'll review that in my other when I get it, and we'll link it to this video, and we'll see how that goes.